Hello everyone, this is Ken from Geodex. Today I'm going to show you how to do the laser survey with the G300-Vi RTK. This function is perfect for measuring those hard to reach points. Let's get started. At first, we need to turn on the data controller, and then we tap the survey and go to the laser survey. Next, we just need to aim the reticle at the point we need to measure. Finally, just press the measure button and you will get the precise coordinates of your target point. We are able to perform measurements on dangerous sites using the laser function, as well as hard-to-survey points such as those under bridge arches. When you miss some corner sites, laser survey can also solve your problems. If your daily work involves many unreachable or risky measuring points, the Geodex G300-Vi laser RTK will be your perfect partner. Stay precise, stay efficient. Subscribe our channel for more real-world tests.